Hello, I'm Patrick Crombez. I'm in charge of the heating business inside Daikin Europe since now 2016. Within Daikin, we really started already with the heating business in 2007 with the first launch of the Alterma series. I personally became involved from 2016 onwards, and initially this business development was quite an uphill battle. However, lately we can enjoy quite some backwinds by the support from the Green Deal measures. Within Daikin, we apply a policy that we call people-centered management, in which we believe that an organization or a company, in fact, can only grow if each of the individuals within that company is developing, is growing. One of the most important elements is that, and we apply that continuously, is empowerment and promoting of taking various initiatives by the members. The biggest challenges today are mostly related to HR. In the way that we need to succeed to attract and retain the talents and the competences that we need to develop as an organization in order to support our customers and to fulfill our customer requirements. Now is really the time to get started. If you have an idea or a business concept that is different than the paved ways, then now is the time to get started with it. However, do keep in mind to have a long-term view and a strategy of what you want to achieve and by when you want to achieve it. Purely from an industrialization point of view, it's down to us as manufacturers to take the investments and to make the factories adapt to meet the market demand. So the challenges from my point are more in the market, where we need to have the sufficient installation capacity, sufficient installation quality in order to meet the demand and to satisfy our customers. Next to that, as investors, ultimately in manufacturing capacity, creation of a stable demand from the market through the regulators and support packages is, of course, also crucial. Next to continuous improvements on the products itself, on the specifications such as sound, efficiency, performance, interaction with the end user, I would think the biggest challenges and the biggest requirements still are towards what you could call the smart activity or the smart interaction of the series. In which way a heat pump can contribute to a flexible grid and be an intelligent partner of that grid to balance supply and demand of the energy. Digitalization has helped us over the last years, and especially during these corona times, to gain closer contact with our customers, to support them better and to provide assistance even on a distance. The next step in that would be to further enhance the systems in order to be able to maintain closer contact with the end user, to increase his customer satisfaction, and to follow up the equipment during the lifetime fully of the operation. As shown in the very recent IEA study on near-zero energy buildings, in the future it is shown that cooling and heating demands of these near-zero energy buildings will almost be balanced. Heat pumps, in that sense, are combining both heating and cooling in the same system, and as such can contribute to renewable, sustainable energy supply to those buildings. On top of that, as indicated before, it's quite crucial that heat pumps can also play a role in the next upcoming multidirectional or bidirectional energy grid through smart interaction between supply and demand on the energy market. I do believe that more and more citizens by themselves are interested to invest in green technology. What would prevent them today, I would consider, are more of practical nature, either the upcoming or the running costs, second, the user interaction and the user experience. On the second part, we need to achieve as technology leaders that the end user can experience the operation of a heat pump in the same way as he's used to operating his boiler system today, meaning interacting with the room thermostat, and the rest is taken care of by the system itself. On the running cost issue, it's quite clear And we see this country by country, that the differences between gas prices and electricity prices are, of course, playing a major role. And there, to some extent, we still depend on further support from the regulators. Cheers to the green recovery.